Food is something that we connect and build friendships through. And we took a look at the marketplace and realized that there are opportunities for us to create an elevated culinary experience. So the Smart Cooker is this magical device. It's a pressure cooker at its heart, but it's a pressure cooker for the future. We've taken all the benefits of pressure cooking, which, stripping down to its barest elements, is trapping steam at a really high temperature to create this tender result in about 70 to 80% less time than conventional methods.
In terms of pressure release, we developed an automatic pressure release where at a push of a button, the pressure will be released and the steam will come out, so the user will not have to go near the button that manually releases the steam.
This is a multifunctional device that can do so much more than just cook. It can bake, can steam, it can sear. The options are almost limitless.
The process starts with, we conduct this design research for a couple months, and we understand most of the people are looking for flexibility. They want to learn more. They want to find that discover moment. Food is really complicated matter. It's not only for surviving. There's something inside every human which pushes us to create that connection with our food.
The most important property that we're trying to achieve is a positive user experience and a flawless guide to the cooking experience. People want to use an app, they want a friendly environment, they want ease of use.
So one of the coolest features about the app is our guided cooking, which enables users to browse through a wide menu of recipes.
Even if you've never been in the kitchen, pick up a Chef IQ product, pair it with the app, and you'll be able to cook whatever you want. I believe with Chef IQ, we're trying to make the process a little bit less intimidating, and that's exactly what guided cooking is. Step-by-step instructions with videos where we're holding your hands all the way through plating, more or less.
The Smart Cooker has some very innovative properties to it. Amongst them is built-in scale. That allows the app and the device to measure how much ingredients is actually put into the pot. So the user will take that unknown out of the equation.
And for the people who want to discover more, we have this calculator.
And the idea behind the calculator is for somebody that already knows how to cook, but they need to know what time or temperature or the cooking parameter that they should set their device to. And the other feature is what we call the Smart Bar. It's a control center where everything that is happening with your hardware, you can keep track of what's going on, how much time you have left, what's the temperature right now, pretty much monitor everything that is going on.
We are testing a lot. Like every step we complete a process, we bring it out and ask the people and get their feedback.
And then that's where we thought that it was very critical to introduce over-the-air updates, which means that we will constantly update the Smart Cooker in order to make sure that it learns how to do new things.
Although you've already purchased the product, you get that benefit over the lifetime of the product to see those upgrades and take advantage of those upgrades without spending any more money.
In the time frame that we did this project, for a bigger company, would certainly be a huge challenge. And for a small company to accomplish what we've done over the last 2 years is simply incredible. Our vision is to create many products that will together form an ecosystem.
It was really important to us that we didn't incorporate technology for technology's sake, and that there was merit to the value that we were bringing forward. And we're very excited to bring Chef IQ to the market and to show off to the world the years of effort that we've put into this project. And we hope that you enjoy it as much as we think you will.
Get ready to rethink the coolest appliance in your kitchen. Juno is the world's fastest, most innovative rapid beverage chiller that will change the way you think about drinks.
Until now, the only way to quickly cool your beverage was to put it in your freezer or an ice chest and wait. With the amazing technology packed into Juno, you can bring your drink to the perfect temperature in a matter of minutes.
How many times have you had a guest bring over a bottle of wine without having a way to quickly chill it?
We knew we could solve this problem.
So we built the latest technology in thermoelectric cooling into Juno. What we discovered along the way was that Juno can do so much more than just chill wine. It can turn your freshly brewed coffee cold, transform your hot tea into iced tea, and cool your favorite beer or soda right in the can.
With its always-on matrix technology, Juno is ready to chill whenever you are. Simply place your beverage of choice inside, initiate the cold cycle, and Juno immediately begins to rapidly chill to your desired temperature. This saves you precious refrigerator space and time, making it perfect for entertaining.
And because we are using the latest in thermoelectric innovation, Juno works without using environmentally harmful chemicals or traditional refrigerants, ushering in a new era of cooling technology.
Its modern design features a simple interface and easy-to-use buttons that allow for 2 preset time settings. The sleek LED status bar gives you an easy way to check when your beverage is ready from across the room.
And the stylish metal grill can be customized to match any decor, all while fitting atop your bar or under any kitchen cabinet perfectly.
We've already finished designing and prototyping Juno.
And now we need your help to bring it to production. With your support, we can help make your kitchen a whole lot cooler.
Chai was a nightmare. There were boilovers, there were mishaps, there were cafe lines, and there was
Maya?
Cheryl.
Maya Thompson? Oh my God.
And there was handing over 5 and some change for a syrupy, fake chai tea latte. But now, our authentic perfect chai starts with placing a cap in the chime, selecting the large option, pouring in my favorite milk, and watching the tea extracts dance into the frothy goodness below. A process that I actually look forward to. With Chime.
This is Brew, the world's first automated tea machine developed to make brewing tea in your home or office faster, easier, and more consistent. At the twist of a dial and push of a button, you can make the perfect cup of tea every time. With Brew, you're not limited to expensive capsules or pods. With our included stainless steel spoon and sieve, you can use any tea bags, loose leaf, or any other type of tea you like. Exploring new flavors has never been easier. Here's how it works. Fill the 2-liter tank on the back, use the spoon or sieve to place the tea of your choice inside, and close the lid. Place your cup on the removable drip tray, and then use the dial on the front to customize the brewing time, temperature, and water quantity to your preference. Press start and continue with your day while Brew does the rest for you. No mess, no fuss. Built-in safety sensors prevent accidental spillages, and our dishwasher-safe glass brewing chamber is perfectly shaped to make sure you get every last drop, minimizing waste. For those that want effortless self-cleaning, the Brew Plus model features our unique ring outlet that not only fills the brewing chamber evenly, but also fully rinses it after each cycle to keep it clean and fresh for next time. For those times when one cup isn't enough, Brew features an infinity pour mode that'll dispense water at the temperature of your choosing until you tell it to stop or the tank empties. We're waging war on the home kettle and want to help cut down on the millions of liters of wasted water each year from boiling of overfilled kettles. Every part of Brew has been specifically developed to make the tea brewing process fast, easy, and efficient, so you can enjoy the perfect cup of tea at the push of a button. Disposing of used tea is clean and simple. All removable parts like the catch tray and brewing chamber are dishwasher safe, so maintaining your machine couldn't be easier. We've been working with expert industrial designers to take Brew from an early concept right through to being ready for manufacturing. We've tested and drank hundreds of cups of tea and cannot wait to get Brew into the kitchens of fellow tea drinkers all around the world.
How long is the wine good for once you pop the cork? That wine won't stay perfect forever. All wines begin to change when they are open. Even on the first day, the taste isn't the same. Why does it matter? Because when we want to enjoy a glass of red wine alone, or have 2 glasses of different wines with our friends, we give up too often. With ALBICCHIERE, the smart wine dispenser, you don't have to give in anymore. And that glass, served at the right temperature, will be perfect. You will enjoy it like you've never have before.
Each wine selection is actually designed to be enjoyed at a precise temperature. It is the only way to unleash all the unique aromas and flavors that every wine can offer, as if it comes directly in the winery. In our house, all the wines are the same. The red ones at the room temperature, the white wines at the refrigerator temperature. But Albi independently recognizes your wine and serves it at the ideal temperature. But if you prefer a different temperature, you can adjust it with your app. You can schedule your wine to be ready for when you return back from the office, for example, and keep your personal winery under control.
Alexa, what are you suggesting for tonight?
There's the San Giovanni that's about to expire.
Albi knows when your stock is running low, and it will ensure you will never run out of it.
You can change wine in 5 seconds, during the same dinner, even for a single glass. Because then you can forget it for the next 6 months. And without service costs, you no longer have to buy gas refills and spare needles. You only pay what you drink, and you can preserve all your wines and not just the special ones.
The problem of open wine is the container, which being rigid, it allows the wine to always be in contact with oxygen and starts the oxidation process. The only solution is to use a flexible container that always has the shape of the remaining wine. And you will be able to open any bottle and preserve it easily with the smart wine bags.
We had our community try the first prototypes and the feedback was fantastic. We wanted to create a professional device available to everyone. Support us now and start enjoying every glass of wine like you've never done before. Cheers!